Hey friends, if you are trying to eject your USB drive from your computer and you encounter the error, this device is currently in use, USB error on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do. First of all, there would be some task associated with whatever is being connected to your USB, and that is why it is preventing it. So a good way is search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Check for all the processes that are currently in use. Okay, let's say this process is in use, or let's say Microsoft Word is in use, or Firefox is in use. Okay, we'll kill Firefox. Right click on it and select End Task and kill all of these processes one by one, except for Windows Explorer if it's open. Okay. Now, even despite this, a few background tasks might remain, and if you know which one they are, then you can kill them. Otherwise, straight away go to the device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for disk drives. Now carefully check which one is the external drive, the USB drive. For example, in my case, it's written that this is the SanDisk Cruiser USB drive. Don't delete the first one. It's usually the hard drive of your system. Okay. So choose the correct one, and this has to be done very carefully. Right click on it and then select uninstall device, and then click on uninstall device. Done. It has been removed. Now you don't even need to eject it separately. You can simply pull it out. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.